Let's see how to configure targets. First, let's go to Agents module. Select an agent. There are 3 action buttons as View Targets, View Achievements, and View Payouts. Let's click on View Targets. Expand January Targets card. It is in locked status and there are no any value fields in the card. Then expand the April Targets card. It is in draft status and it also doesn't have any value fields. If we go to Targets configuration, we can see that no any fields are configured. That's why the cards don't have any fields. Now let's go back and configure a field and see how it appears here on this card. First, we have to create a new reference category. Select the section as Targets. Type a name, description, and proceed to fields. I am going to configure an example target as number of sales. Assume that the number of sales target is defined based on the agent's designation. So I want 2 fields, the designation code from the existing reference category and the value field in number format to store the number of sales for designation. Now, I have created the number of sales reference category, and let's add references to it. Choose the designation code from the dropdown, and type the number of sales target value for the designation and save. Similarly, let's add one more reference. Choose another designation code from the dropdown, and type the number of sales target value for the designation and save. Now we have 2 references. One for SOCBO designation, and another one for SOCBE designation. Let's go back to Targets module and configure a target field for number of sales now. There are no any configured fields. You can add a field by clicking the Add Field button. There will be 1 field added by default, so we can go with that for now. Select the type as Data, as we are going to display data. Type a suitable name for the field. Then select the reference category where the relevant data is stored, and which field does the value contain and the format. Then you can set filters to instruct the system to choose the right reference from all the references in the category. Here we want the reference with designation code equal to the agent's designation code. Filters and viewability criteria are optional, so let's save this and see how it is displayed. Go back to Agents module and select an agent. Click on View Targets. Expand the April Targets card. You can see the new field and its value.